Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Xfinity Mobile for eSIM activation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Xfinity Mobile for eSIM activation, begin by navigating to the official Xfinity Mobile website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your Xfinity account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is created, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, locate the section for mobile services or eSIM activation. Choose the option for eSIM activation. You may need to provide details about your current device. Ensure that your device is compatible with eSIM technology. If required, select your preferred mobile plan from the available options. Once you've chosen a plan, review the details, including pricing and features. Confirm your selection to proceed to the next step. You will receive a confirmation screen with your order summary. Next, you might be asked to authorize a payment method for your selected plan. Enter your payment information and complete the payment process. After successful payment, the system will generate an eSIM activation code. Make sure to write down or screenshot this code for future reference. Now, follow the instructions provided for eSIM download and activation on your device. Access the settings on your mobile device and navigate to the cellular or mobile data section. Look for the option to add a cellular plan. Enter the activation code that you received during your registration process. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the eSIM setup. Once completed, your device should automatically connect to the Xfinity Mobile network. For any issues, return to the Xfinity Mobile website or contact customer service for assistance. Enjoy your new eSIM service with Xfinity Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.